And so tonight, we again are very proud to share with you and to show you how we will continue to drive new trends in this market. But first, let's talk about selfies. We think we know everything there is to know about selfies, because who here doesn't take hundreds of them a day? But as we position our brand as the selfie experts in the market, we want to continue learning. We want to deepen our understanding and knowledge on this topic. And for this purpose, we asked our friends from the media to do a survey among Filipinos to find out their tendencies, their perceptions, and their mindsets towards selfies. Now, let me call on stage Mr. Edgar Hilario of Manila Bulletin, followed by Mr. Diego Ranges of Yucatec, to share with you what they have found.
Manila Bulletin, we conducted a survey about series.
Lagot tayo nito.
Manila Bulletin actually has, the Facebook page has more than 2 million followers. So we surveyed around 4,000 of our followers and asked the following questions. So,
Lalabas tayo. Thank you for
what do you use your smartphone for? 95%, of course, taking pictures. How many times do you use your phone's front camera in a day? 55%, 1 to 3. How often do you take groupies? 32%, more than twice a week. Who do you usually take groupies with? 45% with your family. And we continue with the survey. What do you consider important feature for a group, for good groupies? 58% clear subject, and yung sikat na yun na effect. They usually upload process in social media, 89% yes. What accessory do you use for taking groupies? Selfie stick, that's 66%. And the final question, choose your top phone brand with a good front camera. 61% pick Oppo.
Parang ang daming hype ko.
Then, which proves once again, Oppo is the brand for today, and for that, thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming! Branding niya.
Wala, hindi na ano.
Branding na branding.
Unang sinasabi.
Thanks for coming.
Online yan eh.
Doon tayo, thanks for coming.
You've been very interested with the results of Yucatec as well. This was a survey we did in parallel with Manila Bulletin. And in the last 2 weeks of the month of April, we also asked our readers what they think or how they use their smartphones on a day-to-day basis. And these are just some of the results we've gotten from our readers. The number one activity that a lot of our users do with their smartphones is, of course, 94% of them take pictures. I don't know what the other 6% do with their phones. But around 1 out of every 3 smartphone users, they use their smartphones to take groupies. And most of the time, these occasions are mostly involved with family events. So I guess Filipinos are really into taking selfies and group. And the most important feature when users take groupies is that they want the front-facing camera to take a really wide field of view so that they can be able to fit in more people into the camera screen. Moving to the next set of results. 92% of those who take groupies upload most of their pictures to social media, mostly Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and related sites, even up to like Snapchat. And the number one reasons when they share with us what is the most difficult part when taking groupies is that they find it very hard to fit a lot of people, like whether it's in tight places or they have dozens of people wanting to be able to fit into the camera field of view. That is like almost all of the time, that is the major issue for a lot of people. And we also ask them, if we're talking about really good cameras, especially front-facing cameras or smartphones, which brands do you associate good cameras, front-facing cameras? And a lot of our followers, our readers, around 62% of them, 3 out of every 5 would tell us that Oppo is one of the top brands in mind when taking good pictures using the front-facing camera. These are very interesting results. It shows the challenge that Oppo has endured in the last 3 years in the Philippines, and being able to carve that top of mind in terms of branding, especially when taking pictures using the front-facing camera or being one of the selfie experts in the industry. We'll post some of the rest of the results in our blog. Do check out cinematech.com for the full results. That's it. Thank you and good evening.